Hey, what's up? This is Ron. Welcome back to my channel. Tonight is going to be something kind of cool. This is the first time I tried this. The M-Vave SMK37 Pro MIDI keyboard / DX7 engine. And I'm using the internal sounds on this through this patch feature here. And then I got it routed in the audio out from this into the mix in on the Roland T-8. And then I'm using the Bassline on the Roland T-8, doing some random stuff. This is kind of cool. Check this out. It's not a tutorial, it's just a jam. So that bass line is nasty. Raw nasty. Nice acid line. That's coming from the internal DX7 emulation engine inside this Chinese-made MIDI keyboard. They got effects on this thing too, built-in effects. Check this out. Putting some delay on there, a little bit of delay. Acid house.